Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think this is extremely clearly a wave A, wave B, and we're currently in a wave C. I think we're currently in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. I think there's a very good likelihood this wave 3 could take out the high of this previous trend before we actually get the bigger correction for the wave 4 and another push up for the wave 5. I still think that it's going to go up to at least 100% Fibonacci extension before we even have the end of this big wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to break down this trend a little bit, because I think this is a 1-2 right here that I showed on the monthly, and then it looks like a subdivision, like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and maybe we are in the wave 5 of 3. Either way, I don't really care how you count it. That's not really important to me. What's important to me is what structure is telling me, and structure is definitely telling me higher highs, higher lows, definitely telling me that the wave 3 is not over and I need to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. I actually believe that it is going to go up to take out this line right here, which is the highs of wave A, probably someplace around the 196 area. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it definitely looks like the end of an ABC correction. 1, 2, 3 waves down, 61%, impulsive up. I think that right there is the end of a correction, and if it is, then it will take out the previous highs and most likely just continue the higher time frame uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think, like I said, this is very clearly 5 waves down, wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B. Kind of overlapping right here, but it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like an ending diagonal, wave C. Nice impulsive up, looks like a wave 1. I think this is more likely a wave 2. Maybe we will make a push down. I mean, the yen basket does look like it could push up, which would probably cause this to push down, but I think it's going to make a higher low, and I think it's just going to keep on trending up, most likely in a wave 3. So let's take a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, maybe it will push down. Maybe it even could push down a ways. It could even turn into an ABC correction. Either way, I'm definitely looking for longs at the end of this ABC, and I'm definitely looking to go long at the end of every pullback I see. But I think it might even already have ended a correction, and I think it could just be making a little pullback and a little continuation of the uptrend. So whether it makes a small little ABC like this, or whether it goes down and makes a big ABC like this, either way, I am definitely going to be prepared to go long either scenario for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked down here to the left, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.